what's in it, when nothing's as it seems. A myriad of souls, each chasing different dreams. Some hearts beat timid, while others roar so brave. Some gentle whispers, others loudly rave. Your character's not a given trait. It's shaped by choices, not by fate. Replace fear with courage, doubt with might. Embrace your power, shine your light. Like dawn dispelling darkest night, courage drives out inner fright. Replace helplessness with strength and will. Believe in yourself, your dreams fulfill. But character's not a given trait. It's shaped by choices, not by fate. Replace fear with courage, doubt with might. Embrace your power, shine your light. But character's not a given trait. It's shaped by choices, not by fate. Replace fear with courage, doubt with might. Embrace your power, shine your light. At dawn dispelling darkest night, courage drives out inner fright. Replace helplessness with strength and will. Believe in yourself, your dreams fulfill. Return your worth and beat with pride. I'm whole, I'm perfect, I'll strive. Thoughts are keys to happiness. Attract success, no need to stress. Change is simple, yet courage we must find. Replace helplessness with strength of mind. Like daylight banishing the darkest night. Our unwavering belief fuels our inner light. With vision clear and heart ablaze, take action, let your spirit raise. The world awaits your vibrant hue. Embrace your true potential. It's all for you.